Earth, right? What do we have on the planet Earth?
Water.
We have water. Okay. What else do we have?
Electricity.
Electricity. We do have electricity. How about in the living?
And the pork.
Yeah, what?
Pork.
Pork.
Yeah, to put it.
Okay. Yeah. You have like animals, right?
Yeah.
What are your favorite animals?
My name is
Fox.
My favorite is leopard.
Wow.
Me too. My favorite is lion.
Oh
My
my.
favorite is leopard and cheetah.
Wow.
Leopard and cheetah.
Yeah?
And gorilla. My animal is named. My favorite animal. My animal is tiger.
Tiger. Wow. So we have.
lion and tiger. And my favorite is
Okay. So we have a lot of different animals.
my favorite
Right?
animal.
Everybody has. Okay.
My favorite animal is
Elephant?
no,
No?
a rabbit and
Okay. Thank you for telling me that. So we all know we have a lot of animals that live in this planet, and a lot of plants too, and just a lot of different weathers, right?
yeah.
But around the Earth, we have this, which is called the ozone layer. It's a bunch of gases, a bunch of different particles of air. And far away from the Earth, what do we have? That is yellow. Yes, we have the sun. You guys are so smart. So we have the sun far away. And the sun has a lot of light that goes towards the Earth, right? Some of this light is reflected and it just goes out. And it just goes back into space. Some of the Earth, though, it stays. It's transformed into another type of light, of rayon. It's called the infrared light. And this light is really warm. It keeps the Earth warm. It keeps the animals warm. It keeps us warm. Because or else this Earth would be like minus 15 all the time. And we would be freezing cold.
Like we're gonna be freeze ice.
Yes. But thanks to these lights, well, thanks to these rayons and to the ozone layer, we keep the warmth inside. And part of what helps keep this ozone layer are the CO2 gas, which you might hear of. Have you ever heard of this?
No.
No? Okay. We also have CH4, two specific gases that when they're let out in the ozone layer, they keep more of the warmth in the Earth. But what happens when you're really, really hot? Let's say like on a very sunny day, where you don't drink a lot of water and then you get really, really hot. What do you guys feel when that happens? Yes?
When I go to the beach,
Yeah?
my two legs was very hot,
Mm-hmm.
and my toes was very burning and burning. I was
Oh.
like, ouch, ouch, ouch,
Oh.
ouch. And after I went over that and to the carpet, and I asked my mom to put my slippers, and I just went outside.
Yeah. That's very good.
Because my leg got burned.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Because the sun is reflecting to the sun, and the sun is reflecting to the earth, and the earth becomes hotter and hotter.
That's exactly it. Thank you. Good job. How about
I
you?
go to park,
Yeah?
my leg is too paining us.
So when you go to the park and it's really burning and then it's very, very hot and uncomfortable, isn't it?
Yeah, but when I went to the beach, I made macaroni angel.
Oh, that's great. But all of this, I'm telling you all of this because right now what's happening is a lot of people are like letting out a lot of these greenhouse gases into the air, and it means that this circle becomes even more like it becomes stronger, right? And that means that most of these warmth rays, infrared rays, they're gonna stay inside and they're gonna make the earth more and more and more warm. So that's why sometimes when you go outside in the summer, right, your parents will be like, be careful, it's really hot outside today, so make sure to put on your hat, on sunscreen, drink a lot of water, right? And that's happening more and more and more often. And if you think about it, the animals, right? Let's say a lion that lives in the savannah and needs to drink water. But when the temperature gets warmer, what happens is there's less water often, right? And that means the lion, they have a lot of difficulty finding stuff to drink, but also it means the prey that they hunt have less water too. So there's less prey, so less food, also less water. Yeah.
You know, lion eats deers.
Yeah,
Lion eat meat.
that's
And
true.
also deers.
Also deers. Oh, okay.
Also leopards.
Leopards.
Yeah, they can eat it.
Yeah.
But leopards actually like cheetah. Yeah, they cannot eat
Yeah.
They cannot eat cheetahs and lions.
What will happen to the polar bear?
Huh?
Polar bear.
Polar bear. What happens?
What happened to polar bear?
Think about the polar bear.
No.
Yes.
The ice when the polar bear
Yeah.
when he was crossing over to the big water,
Mm-hmm.
the ice was cracking and all the pieces got cracked, and after the polar bears got stuck, and somebody rescued the polar bear.
Yes.
Super strong with their muscles.
Good job.
And
Yeah.
then they have to stand on the ice because they have to go to another place where there's not mountain, but they cannot swim for a long time.
Yeah.
So they have to stay on the ice.
Wow. Good
And
job.
they will
Yeah.
die in the water.
Mm-hmm. That is true. So on one side we have the polar bears, who they need the ice, right? But because it's getting warmer and warmer, they can't survive. But on the other side, okay, when the ice melts, what happens? What does the ice become?
Water.
Yes, it becomes water, which means there's more and more water everywhere, all over the planet. Now let's think about beavers. Where do beavers?
Wait.
Yes,
Beavers eat trees.
they do.
When they put a tree house, when they put a tree house like this, the beavers eat. Two beavers eat trees.
Yeah.
With their teeth.
Mm-hmm.
Like with the branch.
Mm-hmm.
They eat like this. They eat it.
Yes. Yeah.
They somebody need help. They teeth is out and they be like that.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
The beavers eat trees because
Yeah.
they ate.
So they eat the trees, and then they put the trees, and the trees become like their house, right? They build their own house with the trees. They stack a bunch of branches, a bunch of trees. They eat some of it, and then they leave some of it to make their house. And then what happens if there's too much water? And they try, because they usually live in their dams, right? If there's too much water, what happens? What will happen?
It will float away.
Hmm. Good job.
Yeah, he can fly. Will. Yes, the beaver can fly.
Hope so.
I hope
Okay.
so.
You hope so.
The beaver cannot fly.
Yeah.
Beaver didn't have wings because but how beaver can get crosses? Because they cannot fly. They don't have wings. Only birds.
How you swim?
Only eagles have wings, but that's too dangerous.
That's true.
Same way, like they use their hands and legs and they swim.
No,
And they take it.
Yeah.
Eagle
But that's the thing. So on one side we have the polar bears, who they need the ice, but because it's getting warmer and warmer, the ice melts and they don't have their habitat. And then on the other side, because the ice melts, there's more and more water.
and another one is for the polar bear cannot swim long.
That is true,
It
yes.
was well and dead.
And because there's more and more water, just a second, there's more and more water, which means that beavers on their side, their dams get flooded by the water. It means they also lose their habitat. And those are only two examples of what happens when the atmosphere has too much greenhouse gases. All right?
Okay.
What were you going to say?
You know, when the old thing go up and down, it's
Mhm.
gonna be warm, the ice. After the polar bear is gonna fall down into the water and be dead.
Yeah,
Real, not fall. Real.
drown in the water.
Yeah, drown. Yeah. Not fall. Swim and drown. Not fall. if the polar bear fall, they will
Oh.
and they will splash the water
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
And after the water will
Do you
come
have
down.
any ideas how to save them?
What can we do? What are you
So how
thinking?
can we save them? What we need to do?
Hook on them, then look them up.
And where are you going to put them?
Eat them.
We can't eat so many polar bears. We need animals, right? We can't eat the animals. How do you think we can save the polar bear? What do you think we need to do?
I can make
Don't make the how do we stop from the earth becoming so warm?
Play with your life and
Yeah.
don't play with water and don't eat everything. I eat crab. I
Oh.
eat crabs
You
Okay.
ate crabs.
because
So
I love
can you tell me again? How do you think we can save the earth from not becoming warm?
and don't play with the light and don't play with the water and don't when you go out plug everything.
Plug everything out. You think that's how you're gonna help?
No.
No. Yeah, that's how you're gonna help, right? By not doing that. What are we becoming now? We said what we're gonna become today.
Go outside.
Power?
Yeah.
No, the earth?
Power bird.
Yes, earth rangers, right?
Earth Rangers.
We are the earth rangers.
Yeah.
We're gonna save the earth, right?
Okay. Tomorrow, like everybody, like comes out like one solution. Okay, how to save the earth.
Yeah, you have to
All
tell
right.
us.
Tomorrow, okay, everybody comes out one
One by
good idea. Yeah,
How
Okay.
to save the earth.
how to save the earth.